Larissa. It is my 9-month anniversary for my hair replacement, and I want to show you guys the results. This is the right. This is the front. And this is the left side. Guys, I'm super excited about my hair because I'm able to wear my hair in coils on the sides, whereas before there was nothing there. Now it's nice and thick. It's getting thicker every day. Curl pattern is awesome. Guys, I always wore my hair in styles to cover up my sides because it was balding. So after 20 plus years of fighting with this, I started doing my research, found Dr. Hughton online, did a consult over the phone, flew down to Florida, had the process done. Dr. Hughton did it himself. He's very meticulous about the hair placement, and the process it went smoothly. The people were great. Atmosphere was light. I felt very little pain. Absolutely the best investment I have made. If any of you are on the fence about having this done, let me help you by saying I love the results. I would do it again if I had to. It is exciting watching the hair grow every month, thicker and thicker. Results are so fantastic, guys. I had to share, so I'll give you one more time. Right side, the front, and the left. Because I have my hair cleaned up, so I can show you guys everything. So thank you guys for listening. Take the lead. Go for it. Definitely worth it. Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.